Miss Gardner?
Yes, it is. Yes, it is.
Very nice to meet you.
Hi, nice to meet you as well.
Yes. Did you have any trouble finding us today?
Yes, like it was hard on the trees. I couldn't find it. Kept my GPS kept telling me to turn this way, and then it was a tree there. It was horrible. But I'm here now.
You're here now. Why don't you tell me a little about yourself?
Oh, well, you know, I like to turn up on weekends and stuff like that. But you know, I come to work sometimes.
All right. What do you know about our company?
Yeah, I heard y'all was hiring.
Right. And okay. Why do you want this job?
Oh, cause I need my rent due, and I ain't got no money or nothing like that. So I was like, my friend said she was hired, so I said let me come up in here, go apply for this little job so I can get me some coinage.
Coinage. All right. Why should we hire you?
Because I'll be a good asset to the company. You know what I'm saying? You know, look at it.
That's right.
Yeah.
Great. So why?
Oh, hold on. Hello.
Okay.
I let you see my car. No, you're not using my car. You ain't got no gas money. I'll talk to them on the interview.
If I could just. Great.
My dad was just trying to see my car. I told him I'm no gas money. He ain't using my car.
No, right. So, why did you leave your previous job?
What job?
The one that you left before coming. So, all right. Well, we'll just move on. Do you work well under pressure?
Y'all, because make me mad. Poop. Pop them right up in their slides. Pressure gone.
In their what?
Pressure gone.
In their what?
Snoz.
Snow.
Yes, snoz. Pressure gone.
All right. So, just a couple more questions, and we'll be good. So, just as an example, let's say that you heard two coworkers gossiping about another coworker. How would you handle that? What would you do?
Go get my popcorn and my juice. What happened? What she done said? Yes, I want to know the tea. You got to know the tea at the job so you can know who you can mess with and who you can't mess with.
All right. Thank you for being honest. So, what do you like to do when you're not at work?
Me and my sisters, we like to turn. Yes, we like to turn up. My sister Smooch. She's funny. We get turned. Yeah.
Smooch.
Yeah, Smooch.
Smooch.
Yeah, that's my sister. She be turning up. Yeah. She real funny too. She might do good here. Yeah.
She might.
Yeah. We get crunk, honey. We get crunk. I like her.
Crunk?
Yeah.
Crunk.
Yeah. Like that.
Oh, like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, sure. So, what are your salary requirements?
I want all the points. All the points. All the points. That y'all, what's the points y'all gonna give me? That one's that. Points.
What are your salary requirements?
Points.
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 All right. Do you have any questions